Hi besties, how you all doing? Today is your favorite girl here again, and today I bring to you an easy and a delicious fruit salad recipe. So I have some couple of tips for you today, and I'm just going to drop them right now because this is pretty much like easy and simple to do. You just have to watch what I'm doing and you can do it. It doesn't need any explanation, but I'm going to be giving you some tips today. And one of the tips is, first of all, you have to make sure you get fruits that are not too ripe. Overripe fruits will be saggy and soft in your salad if you leave it a little too long. So get fruits, and of course don't get fruits that are still raw, they will be too hard. So get fruits that are just ripe. So another tip that I have here is, if you want to make a fruit salad of this nature, just go ahead to choose the fruits that are in season. Like we have mangoes, any fruit that you feel like is in season and you love the flavor and all that, you can choose it. Try to choose fruits that are very compatible with a lot of people. Like there are just these fruits that you shouldn't just include them, but you can do if you want to do it for personal consumption. But in case you're doing it for an occasion or for a group of people, just avoid certain fruits like dragon fruit, gooseberries, like there are lots of them, you name the rest. And then another tip is that try to dice up your fruits in the same shape and sizes. Overall, it should be in bite sizes, easy to eat, so that it will be well blended and look good even physically. And last but not the least, this is the almighty rule: don't forget to wash your fruits. You have to wash your fruits thoroughly before you start off anything. Whether the fruits are to be peeled or not, make sure you wash them properly before you start the entire process. And for you to tell if your cantaloupe is ripe or not, it's when you're trying to take off the middle part which contains the seeds and is easy to get off. Once it's easy, know that your cantaloupe is well ripe. If it's not, that means your cantaloupe is not well ripe.
Emotion provoked in me, and let me live again. I'll take no more from you. You got my soul, oh, you let me fly, you let me go, oh. Now you're gonna see it clearly. Go out on the weekend, you want me then you leave me. You got my soul, oh, you let me fly, you let me go, oh. Now you're gonna see it clearly. Go out on the weekend, you want me then you leave me. Emotion provoked in me, and let me live again. I'll take no more from you. You got my soul, oh, you let me fly, you let me go, oh. Now you're gonna see it clearly. Go out on the weekend, you want me then you leave me.
And for you to tell if your pineapple is well ripe is when you try to take off some of this crown. If you try to take off the crown and it comes off easily, that means it's well ripe. With that being said, so I'll just run you through the process. So it's basically just making sure you wash your fruits, peel those that are to be peeled, you dice them up, and it's a lot of dicing though. Like just prepare yourself, you're going to use the knife for a long time. It's a lot of dicing, and then once that is done, you just mix up the fruits, and that is your fruit salad right there, tasting delicious and looking amazing. That is pretty much everything about this fruit salad. This fruit salad was for my beautiful sister's baby shower, so just enjoy the process, and I hope you learned one or two things from this video. And let me know in the comment section if you want me to try any other fruits in my fruit salad, and keep watching and enjoy.
Too much, but I just wanna feel your love. I just wanna know how you feel, baby. I just wanna go where your love take me. I'm losing my sanity, you take me under. For you I surrender, you're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under, boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy, you got me in love. I can't ignore it, I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live
point, you can include whatever fruit juice you want to include. That's totally optional. And for my part, I will advise you, if you want to include any fruit juice, make it a juice that the fruit is not already in your fruit salad. Like in my case, I had no oranges in my fruit salad. I could as well included orange juice if I needed to, which is completely optional.